For this question, we are given a string word and we are to put it in the middle of string out. So we can start off by using return and then out.substring. So we're going to get specific sections of the string out, and then plus, so we're putting the word in the middle, and then plus out.substring. So the first substring, we're going to get the first half of the string out, and for the second substring, we're going to get the second half of the string out. So for the first half, it's going to start from index 0, the first character, and then until index 2. So that would be the first half. And then for the second half, it's going to start from index 2 until out.length. So for this, the out.length is optional, so we won't really have to put it in. So we could just remove that. And that would be the solution.